Hi guys, welcome to part 5 of my Slime Rancher Let's Play. Okay, yeah, it's good. I really gotta clean that up sometime because, as you can see, prices are going not up. In fact, we gotta. Actually, we have to make some money. We have to buy the grotto. Also, because that just looks like a cool area. Almost just paid off all. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna. I'm just gonna sell all your. Never mind, I gotta keep it. I can't do that anymore. I'm just gonna suck all your phosphorus out. I think it was that, okay. Now we're just gonna put the rest in here. For whatever's for that in my head to make these like super good. That is crystal slimes, that is out. It was just barely not enough, hey? What how'd I do? Because there's something I want to show y'all. Okay, also, do I have any more upgrades? Air drive. Maybe later. Probably Victor. 2 honey. What do you think I am, the richest man alive? I ain't got 2 honey slimes. Honestly, that's not worth it. I'm just gonna go sleep. I'll clear up all these plorts. No, I did not. No. It's been so long, no. There's tabby crystal largos and phosphor. Okay, another one. Oh yeah, okay. Man. So y'all gotta go. Man, so does the food. Okay, I suck with my maybe y'all can have some food, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, y'all also need to eat. This is that, okay, yeah, I forgot I need to clear up these floors, yeah. Just trying to just sell all these. I don't really see a point in keeping them too long, all this money's going to that upgrade I wanted and that thing where I want to put the crystal slimes. I also would. These guys eat odd onions, and that's the place I don't want to go back to. So that's fun. Guys, like this episode of sucking up all the plorts. I mean, at least I'm getting big amounts of money, because, like, yeah, that's a huge number. I guess that's slightly less. I have to grab so much of these plorts. This is insane. This sucks. I'm so rich though. Now I have to grab up all of these tabby plorts. This is what happens whenever you don't do your chores. You have to do all of them later, and it's gonna suck. And then in all reality, it actually isn't that bad because I'm getting paid. Y'all have this. What? Okay, I got everything from there. And I wish I didn't have to do this. Yes, I heard that. Hooray! I did him. Now it's time to build that area I was planning on. I'm gonna get 10 rock slimes, a heartbeat, dib up. Yes. I bet I have them. What was that again? 2 rad plorts, a hunter plort, and 2 phosphor plort. Okay, yeah, let's... What? No, try to plort. Gold slime. Okay, you go live your life. Wait, no, I don't want rock slimes anymore. I just want to. Sorry, you can't legally declare war on Italy. I'm gonna have to ask you. Ouch. So I need 2 ochre foods or vegetables. 2 of them. I mean, no, only 1. Actually, maybe 2. No. Stop. What are you doing? Okay. Okay, now I go. I don't know how I got this way, but I sure did. This game's easy. Not really, I'm just kidding. But hey, this day's going along pretty smoothly. We're just farming a bit. Anybody else hear that music? I'm good. Like that. Wait. Is that a rare slime? You can never be too sure. I mean a shiny slime. And to do this, find the home teleporter. Do all the stuff. Keep your eyes out because there are some hunter slimes somewhere. Eat. Give me underplorge. Where's underplorge? Where did the hunt? Okay, there it is. I'm gone. Oh, wait, the hunter? Wait, the home teleporter is somewhere here? Oh yeah, I go this way. Yes, almost home. Accidentally did the wrong thing, got 2 rad slimes, so bye. Moshe Miles. Yeah, you can have this. Mayo de Noche. Oh wait, I should probably sell that. Should I? Yeah. Wait, no. I don't know, anyway. I'd rather do that in the morning. Me. Hey. Now I have a job, for some reason. That was a cool little mini game. Okay, now I want to get that because I mean it honestly isn't too useful. Mayo di noche. Bang, 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 bang. Actually, I kind of want to go here. Oh, I see somebody. Don't let him get away. Bam, 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 bam. We got an entire cartel over here. Oh, pull up, I see some. This is so much fun. Also, I think I'm slowly dying. That's just a small side tangent. Come on. Oh, I'm out of the spark stuff. This special stuff. Pew! 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 Beep 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 beep! Quick, shoot him down. Shoot him down, boys. Ah, there's so much. There's too many. Let's give me this. Oh, I got that super sniper skills. Super sniper rancher, bro. I'm catching up. What happens if I do up here? It's like, I mean, I guess that's cool, yeah. Mayo di noche. Oh, what's this? I see something special. Slow field. I mean, Who? Oh, it even slows me. No, I was just down on electricity. Nice. Okay. Hey, where's that exit? Was it over? Yeah. I don't know what that is. I got a bit rich. That's the time until I can do it again. What's this? Can I start this? Oh. Oh, hell yes. Get back here. Get back here, you blasted slimes. You blasted slimes while I'm blasting you. So they call me. Oh no, I'm out of ammo. Wait, how did I not touch this? Did I just not see it? Am I blind? Am I canonically blind? No, get back. So, well, I'm backpedaling up into. That was not. Oi, get back here. What's this? Is this slow field? Yeah. the energy regen, so now I gotta waste precious time. I'm just gonna kind of stand up here, wait, shoot a bit. Okay. Static Clinger? Oh. Well, that's actually nice. No, I ran out. No, that was gonna be amazing. I was gonna get so much plords. So we probably want the Static Clinger. That's probably what. Come on, Hiki. Okay, I saw the exit right up here. Yeah, deluxe chicken coop. Forgot what it does. All I know is that I'm out of money. I mean, not money. Yes, money. These guys are hunger. Time to get some more rock slimes. Why is the music still going on? Why am I out here? Probably not yet. Mayo de noche. I see a rock slime. How? How do you know? How do you know? Say I see 2 rocks. Hungry. I'm gonna get some moolah. Honestly, I'm sucking up, cause like, what if I get the Mochi's extra mile on this bad boy? Okay, I didn't. Like, what if? I just spent all of my money, all of its, oh, hold on. Everything looks nicer. This must be how Elon feels. Okay. Tech is, oh man, that looks good. My bag, we have no. I kinda like Kentucky on this. Yeah, that looks tripped. Also, guys, I'm just gonna have a chicken coop over here. Still don't want those guys. Oh yeah, my sister's gonna love this. I gotta get that chicken back out. Chicken coop. Yeah, that's probably going to be a wrap for this episode. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye!